You all are welcome to today's video, and I'll be talking about how to find a high probability point of interest. That's the objective of today's video. So you have to pay attention and grab a tea, coffee, whatever that will relax your mind, and pay damn attention. So without wasting anybody's time, I would love to make things simple and understandable. Yeah. So let's kick off. Assume you have a scenario where the price of a certain coin or a certain pay drop drastically like this. Then it forms lower high, then lower low, again it took out this lower high. It took out this lower high, it took it out like this, then form an inducement. After the inducement, come back here and use this. So it is simple like this, right? But I will just love to give some explanation concerning this. So after the drop in price, you can see the pullback, and it came here and took out this lower low. So after it took out this lower low, let's label this as lower low. And so after taking out this LL, lower low, then the price will just come in here. The price just came in here and take this high out also, lower high. This is the first confirmation of trend reversal, and this lower high it took out is called market structure shift or change of character. So I'll label it as MSS. Then after the market structure shift, you expect a pullback. The pullback is inducement. After the market structure shift, you will focus on finding inducements. So this is the pullback, right? This is the pullback. Then after finding your pullback, which is inducement, you can label it as IDM. Then you look for a point of interest nearer to your inducement. Yes, you will take this breaker block because there will be a breaker block here, a failed order block, because this here might be a failed zone, mustn't be another block, a failed zone. So this over here must be without another block or just a resistance level that just failed. So this is where you put your entry at, and position your entry here, your stop loss just beneath it, and the take profit here. Let me show you a chart example, because this thing I did here, this thing I just labeled here, I traded it on USDJPY. You can see it here. You see the drastical, the way the price dropped down and then rally up, creating what they call lower high, then came back here and take out this lower low. After taking out this lower low, this here is a fake breakout, which some people call turtle soup, or you can just call it a fake breakout. So after the fake breakout, it took out this higher high, this higher low. The price just came in here and took out this higher low. And then they will label this place as your market structure shift. And this is the pullback I'm talking about. This was the pullback I was talking about. This is the, okay, let me zoom it because that was the pullback I was talking about. This is the candle that take out the higher low. I mean lower high. I don't know. Please, lower high, please. Lower high, I beg. So this is the candle that take out the lower high. So you label this place as your market structure shifts. MSS. Sorry. You label here as your market structure shift. This is your market structure shift. First indication that the trend is about to change. And over here is your inducement. So the trade, I took the trade from this breaker block, not really this other block here, because this is where I took the trade from. This is where I find my points of interest. Yes. And because the other block and the breaker block combined, I decided to use both. So I just mark out this, mark it out here as my points of interest. So my stop loss was just slightly beneath it because of spread, so I have to cover the entire body of this zone here, the other block, breaker, all these zones. I covered it all, and you can see the moment the price came in here, it started moving. This is it. This is the result of the trade. Though I don't know, it's been moving though it just came and dropped. But this is the result of the trade using these concepts I just taught you. So you can screenshot this, backtest it. Then it's a strategy that works though. So just keep this in your mind that whenever you master one strategy and it's worked for you, just keep using it, keep backtesting. If you master it, you keep backtesting till you master the strategy. So this strategy I'm using is very, very simple. Structure, liquidity, points of interest. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.